Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking. So if you already set up Google Ads conversion, then you will get Google Ads enhanced conversion. So let's see on my screen. So I get a notification on here. I see the notification got account unsuspended, and here it is check enhanced conversion. So if you already set up conversion on here, I'm go to the conversion. So here is you will get to set up enhanced conversion. So you will get something like this, check enhanced conversion, go to diagnostic. So you will see this information on here. So now what is enhanced conversion? I am on the tracking by GTM and this is our conversion. I just select purchase, and on here tag configuration we already set up this tag using Google Tag Manager. So here is enhanced conversion. I just select this and I want to turn on enhanced conversion, and you see, so here is review and agree to customer data terms and continue. This is our terms and policy one here, and you can see their Google policy, and Google just need to your customer data. So here is you can see how Google use enhanced conversion data, and here is Google Ads enhanced conversion. We have allowed to measure online conversion driven by Google Ads first party data. The example is purchase or lead. So Google needs your customer data, customer email, customer phone number, customer first name, last name, and we will set it now for enhanced conversion tracking. So now I agree this, and we will use Google Tag Manager. Then next, and here is need to our website URL. I just copy our website URL and put it on here, then check URL. Now they are saying because you use Tag Managers, so you need to this instruction. Here is instruction. You will open this and you will get an instruction how to set up enhanced conversion tracking, and they already provided a video. So now this is actually a feature first party, third party customer data, such as email address being sending on Google and it's hashed. So Google also provides a secure algorithm like cryptographic security. So now I'm going to the Google Tag Manager on here, and we already set up Google Ads e-commerce conversion tracking, purchase tracking. So I just copy this, and here is you can see include user provided data from your website. I just check mark this, and then you will get this variable. So what is variable and what is our user customer data? I just select this, and they are automatically select user provided data, and we can select on here email. So we did not set up email right now. We did not create any variable on here. So I just create a new variable, then I will select on here. So now I close this, or I can create a new variable. I just close this. So what is actually variable and how we can get that? So now I close this, discard sense, close this. So now I'm gonna preview on here. I just need to buy a e-commerce product, then we will see what is customer data. So now we are now preview on Google Tag Manager. Now I'm going to the shop page. I just need to purchase anything. I just click add to cart and close this, and here is we will see the view cart and proceed to checkout. And here is I will put the first name. This is a test. I select all test, and we will select last name, and here is first name. Then here is our company name, country. We will select on here Gmail ID on here. I just place an order. So how we can track our customer email address, phone number, and everything. This is first name, last name, email address, phone number, and how we can get that. Now I'm going to the Google Tag Manager on here, and here is our purchase e-commerce purchase. I'm going to the data layer, and you did not get this type of information on here. So here is no information about your customer data. Now I'm going to the backend on our website, and I use a plugin Google Tag Manager for WordPress. And now going to the integration, then WooCommerce, then I select customer data in data layer on here, order data in data layer. I just check mark this and save it. Now I'm going to again to preview. So now I'm on the Tag Manager. I'm again preview, connect, So we are now connected, Google Tag Assistant connected. I'm going to the shop page and add to cart. Here is I want more add to cart. I just go to the cart page and proceed to checkout. So here is, we can see first name, here is the last name, and our company name, our country, apartment name, suite. I just select all here and I just place an order. So now I'm going to the tag manager on preview one here, and here is our order completed tag. Now I'm going to the data layer, then you will see all customer data one here. Here is our customer data first name, and here is our customer billing last name, here is our billing company, here is our address, and here is postal code, country, here is Gmail address, here is billing address, and here is phone number also. So how we can get that? Now I can create a variable for customer email. So now I'm on the variable, I create a new variable on here, then I select a data layer variable. So what is our data layer variable? I just copy this phone number, and here I put this customer phone and I just save it. So GA4. So I search for this variable GA4 customer phone. Now I just save it. So now I need to again all data, first name, last name, email address, something like this, and get a new tag, create, and this is the data layer variable, and here is our email address. So what is actual email address? So this is the billing email address. I just copy paste on here, and here is I put customer billing email. I just save it, and GA4 customer. So I type GA4 customer Gmail, and I just save it. So now I'm going to the tag, then Google Ads enhanced purchase tracking. Then I select on here, then I enable customer data on here. Then we have already the data on here. I create a new variable, and here is our variable GA4 customer, G-add customer data, and I just click on here. So we already track our custom variable for email, GA4 customer email. Here is GA4 customer Gmail, and here is GA4 customer phone now. So we already set up GA4 customer Gmail and phone now. So same way, Gmail and phone number, we will create first name, last name, street address, city, region, country, postal code on here, and you can see one here. So what is our postal code? And you will give post code. Here is our country, here is our city, and here is our address, and you will get all information on here. So right now I'm select, and if you set first name, so you will select all information on here. So right now I just select email and phone, then I save it. So we already select on our G-add customer data, and I just save, and make sure that submit G-adds customer data. I just publish. So this is the way to fix enhanced conversion tracking on Google Ads. So now I'm on my another Google Ads account, and this is another Google Tag Manager. I just click Google Ads conversion. So here is I check mark on here, include provide user data from our website. I just select customer data. So what is customer data? And I just select on here, and I'm going to the variable. So on variable you will get Google Ads customer data. Then you can see one here, customer email, customer phone, customer first name, last name, address, city, and here is customer another address, here is customer country, and here is customer zip code. We already create this data layer on here, then I create this. So this is the way to set up enhanced conversion tracking. So hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video.